Hey everybody, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace NC. Welcome to another Maintenance Monday. Today I'm going to be talking about how we preserve and protect the hair under our wigs and extensions. And I'm going to show you my hair and talk to you about the products that I use not only on my hair, but the products that I also use on the rhythm wigs that we create. Really important that we make sure that we use products that are good for our bodies and not use a lot of chemicals on our hair. So I'm going to start with showing you my hair, and I'm wearing right now one of my Easy Like Sunday Morning ponytails. That's the ponytail, and they're available on my website. This is the Kinky Curly, and this is the 12-inch, okay? But enough about that. I wanted to talk to you about the products that I use, and I've been talking about this local company. By the way, local is the new black, okay? Try to shop local, find companies that you want to support that are local, and have the dollars circulate in your own communities. That's what I try to do. So Horizon is a company that I just love their products. I love the two owners. It's a mother-daughter, two black women, and they do amazing work in the community. Their products are paraben and sulfate-free. What does that mean? So parabens, if you don't know, they are the preservative that's used in a lot of our hair products. And they're all different types of reports as to whether they are, there's any indication that they are related to cancer. There are varying understandings about whether that's true or not. I'd rather just stay away from them. So their products are paraben-free, and they're also sulfate-free. And sulfates basically are the products that cause the sudsing in our cleansers, excuse me, and they tend to strip a lot of the oils that are not naturally on our hair. So again, we don't need to strip the oils on our hair. It's really important for women who have kinky curly hair to not strip the oils, right? The reason why we need to add oils to our hair versus hair that is straight is because the glands that produce the oils are in our follicles, and because of the curls in our hair, the oil doesn't have a way to travel all the way down to from root to tip. So we add oils to our hair. People with straight hair, they need to wash their hair, right? Because it gets to be oily, because the oils from the follicles can easily travel down straight hair. So we really do not want to do a lot of stripping of the natural oils from our hair. So Horizon products are paraben-free, are sulfate-free, and they have a wide variety of products that are gluten-free, vegan-free. So check out their website. I'll be talking to you about the ones that I use, but they have tons more that you can check out at Horizon.com. By the way, that is spelled Hairizon.com. So I did want to show you how my hair is doing. Just taking out of the ponytail here. It's really starting to get a little thicker. I have really fine hair thanks to my parents, but I'm seeing a lot of growth in my hair. I've had all different styles. I've had locks for 12, 15 years. I've had a TWA. I've had all different styles. So I don't have a good picture of how my hair was doing before I started wearing wigs as protective styling. But trust me, it's doing great. Every time people see my natural hair, they're surprised at how much it's growing. And the reason why is because I really try to take care of my hair underneath. I moisturize it. I use good healthy products on it, and so I'm going to be talking to you now about some of those. Again, it's the same products I use on my wigs. Horizon, I use the cleansing conditioner, I use the conditioner, I use the oils, the hair oils, and I use the You Go Curl, this amazing product, You Go Curl. And my hair and the hair that is used on the rhythm wigs are low porosity. So we do an LCO method, liquid, cream, oil versus an LOC method, liquid oil cream. Let me also mention that Horizon does hair consultation, so if you want to understand the porosity of your hair, what works best. I just went with a friend and she had a consultation done, very thorough. They use different products on it to see how your hair reacts to them, and you get to look at it and see what you like, and then I think it's $25 for the consultation, and that is then applied to any products you buy. So a really great system that they have. This is the oil product that I use. This is an 8-ounce bottle, okay? And I just picked up my new You Go Curl. This is their curl cream. So in the LCO method, I use this as the cream. I use this as the C, right? I'm going to make sure to put a link to the video that I did where I use these products so you know what order I use them in: liquid, cream, oil. And the other thing that I wanted to show you, since we're talking about protecting and preserving our hair, is the wig grip, okay? Now, anyone who buys a wig from me have gotten one of these. It is a product that I use instead of putting combs in my wigs that sometimes create breakage here, sometimes create headaches. I do not add combs to my wigs. I provide them, and you can add them if you like, but instead I recommend using the wig grip. And what it does is it helps to preserve our delicate hairline, the edges, okay? So you put this on, make sure that the label is on the right-hand side, and you put it on this way, like that. And you wear that under your wig. If you feel it, it's a little rough going this way, and that's why it's important to put it on with the label on your right, okay? Because that resistance here is what keeps the wig on without combs. So again, this is just another way of protecting your edges, okay? On the Rhythm Wigs also, you'll know that we add a very soft material in this area. Again, it's to make sure that nothing is rubbing on this delicate part of your hair, because it is important to us at Rhythm Wigs to take care of the hair under there, okay? We're all about protective styling. We do that with giving you the style that you need while taking care of your hair under there, okay? So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. We love hearing from you. If you have any comments, please let us know, and see you next time on Maintenance Monday.